Hey Tesla fans, it's Adir from T Sportline. Check out this 2023 Model Y that came to us for interior and exterior customizations. Let's start with the outside. This customer wanted to upgrade the look of his 19-inch Gemini wheels, but didn't want a brand new wheel. So we offered our newest solution for exterior upgrades and wheel upgrades. This is our TSY14, brand new hubcap that we offer for Model Y 19-inch Gemini wheels. Comes in a beautiful matte black color and is a great match to the matte black trims on the car, and is a little more sporty, a little cooler than the Gemini Aero covers, which we all know are not the nicest looking cover out there. We'd love to hear your comments down below, what you think of this TSY14 19-inch hubcap. Do you like the black? Would you go with another color? Or do you prefer the 19-inch Gemini cover? Let's hop inside and go over the interior. And here's the interior of this Model Y that came to us originally with the factory black seats. We went ahead and transformed the interior using one of our Model Y seat kits in the factory design. This customer chose red vegan and wanted to go with a nice accent stitching, so he decided to go with the beautiful white stitching on the perimeter of the seat, and I think it looks great. While our interior seat kit is something that we offer at our Van Nuys location for installation, we also have a long list of preferred installers all over the country, so if you're not local to us and you'd like to get this done, you can call or email us and we'll find your nearest installer. Thanks for watching. That's all I got for you today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We have many more great videos coming your way soon.